Hiya, Tom from Dreadnought here. Now, other day, got a bit bored with the coronavirus lockdown, so I thought I'd make a paper Scirocco Mark II model. So this is how you download, cut out and make your own one. Onto the website, be a link in the description, and pop on DIY mod guides down the bottom. You've got two options, PDF, SVG. So PDF, click on it, click the print button. This should happen. So now you've got your little Scirocco template. Might be an idea to do a couple, make a couple of mistakes, build one first, you know, get the hang of it. So now you've got your little Scirocco. Might as well start colouring it in. If colouring in isn't your thing, you can always use paint or another graphic program to cut and paste popper headlights, different alloys, anything like that onto them. You can even block colour the sections. Saves fanning about like this. That'll do for colouring it in, this one. Now, chopping it out. Basically cut to all of these lines, making sure you get these sections cut right up into here. You need these big bits as well. Okay, so that's it all cut out. Now we've got to fold and glue. I'm just using a prick stick, find it easier. Seems to work all right. I use a nice metal ruler, plastic ruler, something like that, just to bend the angles. So just go around and roughly get everything bent into shape. The angle's right. It might take a little bit of playing about to get everything angled right and ready to fit. So just make sure you bend everything, test everything before you start gluing. Because once you glue something, it becomes a pain. Now this is probably the only tricky part, is getting this spoiler here, that out. So the trick to it is, bottom of the windscreen, then up, edge of the spoiler, then down, then the bottom of the spoiler. Bend it into like a valley almost. And you should have something like this. Now, make sure you haven't missed any. You can pop about, start gluing. There's a bit of a bend halfway down the body side. Find it easier just to work down one side first and then down the other side. At the rear, it's easy just to line up the light and then the bumper. Take a little bit of persuasion. And don't forget the lower tab holds it all together, stops it blowing out. And there you have it. One 3D paper Scirocco. This is another one I made. As you can see, added a few BBS LMs, I think, on the side. Coloured it away in on paint. So there we go. Give it a go. Tag us in any pictures on Instagram, Facebook. Send it to your friends. It's all free. So happy days. Crack on.